the cows are out, as you can see here, here. I don't know if you can, they're supposed to be out here. As you can tell, we've had tons of snow. There's no way we can get out. No one can come over to help. Sounds like, or looks like some of them are moving over. They're all back in the trees there. This is one fence that's down. I don't think that's the fence they got out of though. I think that's another fence we have. Then if you look over there along our hay bales, they're basically all lined up. Got some in the trees over here too. That one looks kind of cold.
Think he went inside. Actually, it might be a girl.
Take video evidence of the 2024 blizzard. I was gonna blow back shut tonight too.
Yep.
Holy cow. Look at that drift. Jeepers. Keep her going.
So here's the aftermath of the cows being kind of in our yard. They ate through that bunch of hay right there. They ate through. There's poop everywhere, which will be good for the soil. They kind of got this hay over here too. Look at that beautiful sky. You can tell they were here. It's crazy that this happened when there was so much snow, and you can still tell, you know, the water melted. Obviously the snow melted. We couldn't see the ones behind the hay bales, but there was definitely some cows over here. Poop. Won't complain about that. Alfalfa's kind of turning green if you want to see that a little bit. So, more poop. More poop. Right here, there's a ton. I don't know if you guys remember from the beginning of this video, but there was cows here under the trees, basically sitting here too, just so that they could get a break from that wind.